In this video, I am going to show you how to create a bootable USB for Windows 8. We need Windows 8 image and also we need Rufus. Open your favorite browser, search for Rufus, hit enter, open this first link, scroll down. Here is last release. Download first release, it is 4.6.exe. You need one USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. Plug in your USB flash drive. When you plug in, double click on Rufus, click on yes. Now, Rufus will detect your USB flash drive automatically. Follow this step. Now click on select. Find Windows ISO, it is on desktop for me. Scanning image. After scan, you can change volume label if you want. You can write any name you want. Then click on start. Here you will get one warning. Don't worry. Okay. Creating file system. It will take some time. Please wait. When the process finished, click on close. Open this PC. Now unplug your USB flash drive. Again, plug in. When you see this icon, it means your flash is ready to install Windows. In the end, if this video is helpful, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.